In this short video, I will discuss one of my favorite species of tarantulas, and that tarantula is the Goliath pink bird eater. And I'll also discuss a little bit of the history of where this magnificent tarantula acquired its name.
The scientific name is Lasiodora paraibana. Lasiodora translates to long-haired. The name Paraibana is taken from the Brazilian city-state Paraíba. This spider was first described in 1917 by a Brazilian zoologist who is considered to be the founder of arachnology in South America. His name was Cândido Firmo Janela Leatão, and while working as a zoologist, he published no less than 198 papers on the taxonomy of arachnida. In my opinion, Janela Leatão deserves recognition. The common name is the Brazilian salmon pink bird eater, and these spiders do have a salmon pink colored setae or hairs and around the abdomen and back legs. Now the second half of the common name, which is called bird eater, and how the South American tarantulas were coined with this name, has its origins centuries ago. In the year 1699, a woman who was a naturalist and scientific illustrator chartered a scientific expedition to South America. Her name was Maria Sibylla Marian, and upon reaching what was known to Europeans as the New World, Marian spent long hours studying and classifying plants and insects. Without a doubt, she described her findings in great detail. Upon returning to Europe in 1705, she published a book called Metamorphosis Insectorum Surinamensium. One of the pages of the book showed a picture of a large spider eating a bird. In the early 1700s, Europeans never heard of or seen a spider big enough to turn the tables on a bird. To them, that concept was unthinkable. Nonetheless, the term bird eater has become a dyed-in-the-wool affiliation with South American tarantulas for centuries now. Today, collectors of tarantulas wouldn't really be too surprised to see a tarantula capture and kill and eat a small bird, especially the Brazilian salmon pink bird eater. Anyone who has owned this spider knows all too well that this spider is a formidable predator. These are robust tarantulas, and in the wild will take down and overpower prey equal or even bigger than its own size.